Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the hidden gems of nature. Today, we're diving into a spice that's been under our noses all along. Cloves. You've seen them, you've tasted them, but did you know about their miraculous benefits? In this video, we're exposing 10 unbelievable benefits of cloves that no one talks about. So, buckle up and get ready to be amazed as we journey into the world of cloves. Cloves have a rich history dating back over 2,000 years. Traded by Arab merchants in the 3rd century BCE, cloves were a coveted commodity in ancient civilizations due to their medicinal properties. Arab traders maintained a monopoly on the spice until the 15th century when Portuguese explorers discovered the Maluku Islands, breaking the monopoly and making cloves more widely accessible. Cloves are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential compounds that contribute to their remarkable health benefits. The primary active component is eugenol, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Additionally, cloves contain essential oils, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C, manganese, and omega-3 fatty acids. In moderate culinary use, cloves are generally safe for most individuals. However, like any spice or supplement, excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects. Cloves have blood-thinning properties, so individuals on blood-thinning medications should exercise caution. Moreover, pregnant women should consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating cloves into their routine. Without further ado, let's dive into the amazing benefits of cloves. Benefit number 1. Anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Cloves wield exceptional anti-inflammatory prowess attributed to their high content of eugenol. This active compound has been the subject of numerous studies, showcasing its ability to quell inflammation at the cellular level. Research, such as that published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, substantiates eugenol's capacity to reduce inflammatory markers, positioning cloves as a formidable ally against inflammatory conditions. By mitigating inflammation, cloves not only offer relief from discomfort but also contribute to overall health, potentially assisting in the prevention and management of chronic inflammatory diseases. Embracing the anti-inflammatory benefits of cloves unveils a natural and aromatic approach to fostering well-being. Benefit number 2. Pain relieving. Cloves harbor remarkable pain-relieving benefits, primarily attributed to the presence of eugenol, a potent natural compound. Numerous studies, including research published in the Journal of Natural Products, underscore the analgesic properties of eugenol found in cloves. Acting as a natural pain reliever, cloves have been traditionally employed to alleviate various types of pain, from toothaches to muscle discomfort. The eugenol content in cloves exhibits pain-relieving effects, making them a compelling alternative for those seeking relief without the potential side effects associated with conventional pain medications. Incorporating cloves into one's wellness routine presents an aromatic and holistic avenue for managing pain and promoting overall comfort. Benefit number 3. Liver guardian. Cloves emerge as formidable guardians of liver health, boasting potent protective benefits. Laden with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, such as eugenol and isogeny, cloves shield the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Research, as documented in the Journal of Medicinal Food, underscores the ability of cloves to scavenge free radicals, reduce pro-inflammatory cytokines, and modulate enzymes, fortifying the liver against potential damage. Eugenol and isogeny act synergistically, offering a natural defense mechanism that may help prevent liver conditions and support the organ's vital functions. Integrating cloves into one's dietary repertoire becomes a flavorful and aromatic strategy to fortify the liver and promote overall well-being. Benefit number 4. Immune system boost. Cloves stand as potent boosters for the immune system, owing to their rich antioxidant content, particularly in eugenol. Scientific studies, such as those in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, affirm the immune-enhancing properties of cloves. These antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and bolstering the body's defense against infections and diseases. With a high concentration of vitamin C, essential for white blood cell production, cloves become vital allies in the battle against pathogens. Harnessing the immune-boosting prowess of cloves presents a natural and aromatic means to fortify the body's defenses, potentially warding off illnesses and promoting overall health. Benefit number 5. Memory enhancement. Cloves reveal a promising role in cognitive enhancement, tapping into their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant prowess. With compounds that safeguard the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, such as eugenol, cloves offer potential cognitive benefits. While research, like that in the Journal of Neuroimmunology, hints at positive impacts on memory and cognitive functions, further exploration is warranted. Manganese in cloves contributes to neurotransmitter synthesis, vital for cognitive processes. Studies suggest that incorporating cloves into one's routine may foster improved memory, attention, and mental acuity. While the full extent of cloves' effects on human cognition demands more research, these aromatic buds tantalize the possibility of a flavorful approach to enhancing mental well-being. Benefit number 6. Sexual health enhancement. Cloves, with their array of health benefits, also harbor potential advantages for sexual health. While research in this specific area is limited, cloves' anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, particularly eugenol, may contribute to overall well-being, including sexual health. Eugenol has shown promise in improving blood circulation, a crucial aspect for sexual function. Additionally, cloves have been traditionally associated with aphrodisiac properties in certain cultures. Though more scientific exploration is needed to substantiate these claims, the historical use and potential circulatory benefits of cloves hint at a possible connection between their consumption and aspects of sexual health. As always, individuals are advised to consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Benefits number 7. Oral health enhancement. Cloves emerge as unsung heroes in oral health, primarily owing to their main component, eugenol. Renowned for its analgesic and antimicrobial properties, eugenol has been traditionally employed to alleviate toothaches and combat oral bacteria. Studies, such as those in the Journal of Dentistry, underline cloves' potential in dental care. Eugenol exhibits efficacy in reducing oral bacteria, making cloves a natural ally against tooth decay and gum issues. Additionally, the aromatic spice contributes to oral freshness, helping in combating bad breath. Whether incorporated into dental hygiene routines or used as a natural remedy, cloves offer a flavorful and holistic approach to nurturing oral health, presenting a fragrant alternative to conventional oral care practices. Benefit number 8. Blood sugar regulation. Cloves emerge as a natural regulator of blood sugar levels, unveiling their potential in diabetes prevention and management. The compound nigericin found in cloves plays a pivotal role in improving insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake in muscle cells. Research, such as that featured in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, underscores nigericin's ability to lower blood sugar levels by inhibiting enzymes responsible for breaking down carbohydrates into glucose. With cloves demonstrating a multifaceted approach to blood sugar regulation, from enhancing insulin function to moderating glucose levels, they present a promising and aromatic addition to dietary strategies aimed at maintaining stable blood sugar levels and supporting overall metabolic health. Benefit number 9. Antimicrobial arsenal. Cloves unveil a potent antimicrobial arsenal, showcasing their ability to combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Studies, such as those in pharmaceutical biology, highlight the effectiveness of cloves against common pathogens like E. coli and Candida albicans. The active compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, exhibit strong antimicrobial properties. This natural defense mechanism positions cloves as valuable allies in preventing and managing infections, ranging from foodborne illnesses to skin and yeast infections. By inhibiting the growth of harmful microorganisms, cloves present a holistic approach to microbial control. Whether incorporated into culinary creations or used as topical solutions, cloves emerge as a fragrant and versatile tool in maintaining a microbial balance for overall health and well-being. Benefit number 10. Anti-cancer potential. Cloves boast remarkable anti-cancer potential, primarily attributed to their high content of eugenol. Scientific studies, including research in cancer letters, highlight eugenol's anti-proliferative effects on cancer cells. This compound demonstrates the ability to inhibit the uncontrolled growth of cancerous cells, potentially thwarting the progression of malignancies. While further research is essential, the promising findings suggest that cloves may play a role in cancer prevention. Eugenol's multifaceted properties, encompassing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, contribute to its anti-cancer potential, offering a flavorful and aromatic approach to supplementing cancer preventive strategies. Although cloves cannot replace conventional cancer treatments, they present an intriguing avenue for research and may, in the future, be integrated into holistic approaches to cancer prevention and management. To maximize the benefits of cloves, consider incorporating them into your routine through various methods. Chew on whole cloves after meals to aid digestion, or prepare a soothing cloves tea by boiling them in water. Enhance the flavor and health benefits of your dishes by adding ground cloves to soups, stews, or baked goods. Capsules or extracts offer a concentrated dose for those seeking a convenient supplement. For an aromatic approach, diffuse clove essential oil or soak cloves in water for an infused drink. Additionally, cloves can be integrated into your oral care routine as a mouthwash or enjoyed in smoothies and juices for added flavor and nutrients. However, it's crucial to consume cloves in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on the most suitable method for your individual needs. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the incredible benefits of cloves. Nature has a way of surprising us with its wonders, and cloves are no exception. Before you embark on incorporating these aromatic buds into your routine, remember, individual experiences may vary, and it's crucial to consult with your healthcare professional. If you found this information valuable and are eager to explore more insights into natural remedies and holistic health, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you ensure you won't miss out on our upcoming deep dives into the world of wellness. As always, take care, stay healthy, and keep exploring the amazing possibilities that nature has to offer. Thanks so much for watching.